We are back in the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez. We have just under 20 minutes till that 7 o'clock hour on a Friday. It's a Friday morning, isn't it?
It sure
we
is.
are seeing just some slick roads, so give yourself some extra time.
Yeah, that's going to be the thing that you're going to have to kind of remember all the way through early next week, because this isn't going to end. We are going to stay in this active pattern today. Some light rain and some light snow mixing in. Tomorrow will be the driest day within the weekend, but then a second disturbance comes in on Sunday, bringing more rain and mix, followed by heavy snow Monday into Tuesday. These are the days of high impacts that we can expect. It's going to be this wet, slushy, potentially heavy accumulating snow on Monday and Tuesday. So please remember that. This is why. The jet stream still has a trough right over us with an area of low pressure that's been cut off, spinning over in Ontario. And it's just basically going to stay right over us through the weekend and through early next week, bringing in those couple of disturbances. Our next one is on our doorstep right over Minnesota, bringing in some snow already to Wisconsin. And this morning, what we're seeing here in the UP is just some light rain in the central parts of the UP, and then a little bit of a transition in parts of Marquette and all the way down into parts of Dickinson County, where we're potentially seeing a little bit of light snow there. Steady rain showers along M28, also through the 35 stretch and US 41 stretch all the way down into Dickinson County, or excuse me, Delta County, and then some light rain along US 2 to just west of Manistee and north of Manistee at this moment. So as far as the additional snow we're seeing today, we're not going to pick up a lot. It's going to be light, but it will definitely make roads slick. Potentially about an inch possible on the Wisconsin state line, with one or two locations potentially exceeding that a little bit more with those accumulation amounts over in parts of Gogibbet County. This is for today all the way through later on tonight. Tomorrow will be a little bit drier. Here's the hour by hour. You can see those rain showers mainly trending in the central and eastern counties. Wind flow out of the south, so that means that the intensity of the rain right along Lake Michigan could increase as well. And then across the western counties of the UP, it's mainly going to be some light snow. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It really starts to work in early in the afternoon and then continues throughout the bulk of the day, tapering off as we head towards tonight. We'll likely have that light snow as temperatures will basically be in the mid to upper 30s in those areas along the Wisconsin state line to help support that. We're looking at low to mid 40s across the eastern counties. Tonight, if you're going to the Haunted Hayride in Marquette County, temperatures for the most part will be in the mid to upper 30s. We'll be dealing with just a little bit of light rain. So a jacket, maybe a hat might be necessary. There's that system that's going to be moving through today. This is tomorrow morning. It'll be just east of us by that point in time. System number 2 will still be west of us. So throughout tomorrow, not too bad. Just a few scattered rain showers throughout the day. Still cool and below normal and cloudy. Then here comes second system. System number 2 for tomorrow night into Sunday. Here's Sunday morning, scattered rain showers in the west. That's going to increase throughout the day, especially in the central and east, and then transitioning to snow in the western counties. Here's 3:30 Sunday afternoon. Then it's mainly lake effect snow that takes over for Sunday night, extending into Monday. Wet, slushy, heavy accumulating snow on Monday. This is kind of how it looks. Not just that, but it's also going to be a little bit windy, so it might not feel all that great out there, and driving conditions won't be that great either. As we head towards Tuesday, we'll potentially continue with some lake effect snow throughout the day. So this is very preliminary, but giving you an idea for that second system. So this is Monday into Tuesday night, a 2-day span of accumulating snow, easily 3 to 6 inches of this wet, heavy, slushy snow. In some areas of the higher elevations, the highlands of Michigan could likely exceed 6 inches of snow during the course of those 2 days as well. We will give you updates as this comes through. This isn't set in stone. It will likely change, but we want you to prepare for those 2 days.
Certainly got to get back into the swing of things as all this weather is here.
Exactly.